Hello. It's Linda here. I'm sitting in my craft studio and I'm bringing you another 2-minute tip. This one's about one of my favourite materials to use, which is washi tape. So I've got some pages here from Sarah that illustrate what I'm going to talk about. And if you've not used washi tape before, do give it a go. Let's have a look and see what she's... Okay, so here's her pages. And the washi tape, can you spot it? It's the borders that she's put across the page. There we go, just there. Now, if this was conventional sticky tape, I wouldn't be venturing to do this because you get into all kinds of sticky situations. But washi tape is different. It's more like if you've ever done decorating and put masking tape up for the paint, it's very similar to that. But it's made for crafting, so it's tearable, so you can tear it rather than having to cut it, and it's repositionable. It does not stick permanently when you put it down to start with, so it means if you make a mistake with the lineup, you easily reposition it with no ill effects. It won't tear the paper or anything. So it's really easy to use. It's great for kids to use as well if they're just getting going with crafting. It's really fun for them. So have a go with it. Find yourself some washi tape and have a little go. A lot of my kits have washi tape in them because I like it, and I include things in my kits that I like. So do hop over and have a look at the memories and photos shop. And this particular page that I just showed you was from the It's a Wonderful Life kit. But there are lots more over there. Go and have a look. It's memoriesandphotos.co.uk. I will see you again soon. Bye.